Welcome back. Hi, it's Kim Labar, writing coach, educator and parent ally, on a mission to help kids find their voice and parents become their greatest guides. Last time we explored the real blocks behind the writing struggles. Remember the iceberg. What you see at the top is the meltdowns, the blank pages, the I hate writing. But what's underneath? Underneath we have the emotional struggles, the skill hurdles, the growth challenges. Now let's look at what happens when you support your child in a new way, a way that doesn't rely on pressure, but on presence. Most parents do what school trained us to do: correct mistakes, push through resistance, and make it through the assignment. But all that does, it creates stress for both of you. The ultimate writing journey is different. It's not a writing curriculum, it's a transformational experience. Instead of pushing your child, you walk beside them. Instead of drilling grammar, you unlock creativity. Here's what makes the ultimate writing journey work. Clarity. They learn structure, style, and how to grow. Confidence. They begin to believe in themselves. Creativity. They realize they have ideas worth sharing. This isn't abstract. We build them step by step. Clarity is the lens. Clarity is the window that lets your readers see inside your mind without smudges or fog getting in the way. First, we help children slow down and step inside their ideas, because clear thinking leads to clear writing. Confidence is the bridge that connects your inner world to the outside world, strong enough to carry bold ideas. Confidence grows naturally when kids realize their thoughts and experiences matter. They're not guessing what to write, they're expressing what they've already seen and felt. And creativity. Creativity is the spark that turns a pile of words into a fire that warms, lights, and inspires. It's in everything we do. Kids imagine first, express second, and refine last, just like real writers and artists. Clarity, confidence, and creativity are the three pillars that allow for authentic connection, effective communication, and creative self-expression. And what that does, that supports powerful writing. When writing becomes a lived experience, your child doesn't just write more, they write better. One mum said, "He's finished a full story, beginning, middle and end." Another said, "She wanted to add dialogue to her story without being told." These stories aren't exceptions. They're what happens when you guide instead of push. The framework that we look at is a story-first writing rhythm. We start with connection by starting with stories, not assignments. No pressure, no perfection, just progress. We build trust through play and curiosity, and then move to clarity and structure as they build confidence. If you've ever thought, "But I'm not a teacher," great, you don't need to be. You're not the expert, you're the guide. We give you the scripts, the prompts, and the tools to support without stress. What families are saying, "This has saved our writing time. I stopped fixing and started asking questions. Now he calls himself a writer." You've heard from a few families already, and there are so many more. They all started in the same place: overwhelm, frustration, and burnout. And now their kids are creating, connecting, thriving. You can be next. In the next video, I'll introduce you to some writing that was developed through structure and transitions. You'll see writing starts to flow. You'll see the before moments and the breakthroughs. Get ready to meet your future self.